When using laser technology in plastics processing, several diode lasers are often needed simultaneously to obtain the required results. The corresponding diode laser driver units therefore need to be tailored to use in applications where the lasers are controlled either simultaneously or individually. Schulz-Electronic has worked hand in hand with its R&D partners to come up with a range of current drivers for both simultaneous and quasi-simultaneous welding.
For plastic welding applications, the request is most times to have several tens of watts, up to kilowatts CW, or long pulses depending on if it's a simultaneous welding or quasi-simultaneous welding process, and depending on if the diode laser which is used for the application is bar-based or single-chip based. That does mean we need a huge range of drivers from multi-amps and or multi-volts, and with different common interfaces which are all available at Schulz-Electronic.
Schulz-Electronic is your trusted partner offering custom concepts for complex projects and developments. The company works closely with its customers to give them specific, tailored solutions for their projects. Schulz-Electronic provides gold standard service with high-level on-site support and test equipment, maintenance engineering, and professional repairs. Find out more at www.schulz-electronic.de and drive a successful project.